Hello everyone and welcome back to another LINQ.bio tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about on how to make a digital business card. So first thing you want to do, go ahead and scroll down to create link and select vCard link. Now we can generate a short URL which can be customized to us. So let's go ahead and do test contact, since this is a test video. Once we can create that, we can now enter in our first and last name, so test, as well as an email, whatever email it may be, your website URL for your business. You can also put in your company name, your job title, birthday, street address. Don't really think it's necessary unless it is a business address. Then you want to be able to address your business address. You can also put in region, country, note, phone number, social, a temporary URL if you want it restricted, as well as protection advanced. Once you select update, your link will be active and you have a digital business card. Hope this helps and have a good rest of your day.